Right here's the tool, and let me see how it works.
Назад дай его. Вот так вот, здесь есть клип. Клип. Берешь его, раз.
Hold the clip down. Let me see a clip.
Эй, чтоб не потерял.
This is the clip.
Потом кто-то берет, сжимает.
And you
Вот
pull
так.
that out.
Вот так.
Uh-huh.
Вот здесь вот она должна длиннее, это тоже. Она вот здесь ломается.
The end piece right here snaps off.
Yeah.
Right here.
Okay.
And it causes an issue.
Okay, да. Вот такой.
And what's he want to do? Pull the end piece out, or?
Yeah. Right here.
So he'll get the hook. This bastard's also freaking broken. Well, that ain't good. I'm glad we tore this one apart too.
Здесь тоже не снимешь ее. Сейчас надо снимать ему, окей?
Sometimes if you can't get it out, like you'll be able to hook out
Вот это вот.
that little end piece,
Это открутить
and
надо.
then you have to unscrew that screw right there, and then it should pop out. But what happens is, even on that one, as you can see, that one's even broken. I'm gonna have to get one for that. Where do you need the gear shifter? What are you looking for?
Okay, где-то в гиршифте,
Right
вот он. Окей. У нас он весь есть гиршифт. Вот так берет ее.
Just open that up, and it comes open. You just pull up on it. You might have to move it to reverse or forward. Yeah, that unhooks.
Вот так снимает.
I think you gotta pull it forward some. You gotta pull the actual shifter to park, or closer to park.
Right here.
There it is.
With the hand, he can do like this.
With the you can get it with the hand. Like if you use your hand to shift it.
Yeah, I can move it like easy.
Yeah, just what happens is that little wedge, that little wedge pushes that up. You know, instead of you pulling it up with your hand, the wedge, when it pushes up, it raises it up for it to go to park and reverse. What happens is on the end of the shifter, the little wedge breaks off. You know, like inside, see this piece?
Broken.
That wedge breaks off, and that's what happens. And it doesn't wedge it up all the way. That's how the Subaru gear shifter works.